Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International, and guess what? I decided today to start a new series on Czerny Opus 599. So this Czerny 599 is for actually for beginners. Is the first Czerny that you could learn. As you know, I do consider the practice of scales, Hanon and Czerny are the foundation of how to play the piano. So when you do this consistently during time, I still do Czerny at this moment in time, you know, that's how the progress, it will be on the right direction, you know. Anyhow, so you do have on the playlist, my decision is based on the fact that I did do before a series of Czerny Opus 299, that is agility and speed, and I could see that not everyone is quite there, so that's why I'm backing off a little bit and I'm starting with 599. So again, 599, the first 10 studies are mostly for sight reading, so don't focus on the finger number, focus how it goes up, stepping or skipping up or down or whatever it is. Obviously you might not be a good reader when you are at this level, so don't focus on the fingers, please. I would suggest you to erase the fingers numbers from there. It would be easier. So that is my suggestion. Another suggestion for this first series of 10, it would be to take one hand at a time, you know, and practice a couple of times, and then left hand couple of times, and then put it together. And now that being said, let's start with the practice of it. Hello back everyone. And we are right now number 5, okay, number 5, Czerny number 5, Opus 599. So what I can see here, it's a C major, but we're getting a little tiny bit more into kind of little arpeggios, very little, and then we're gonna go even an F major arpeggio and then back to the C major. So let me play it first for you to see how it goes. I will put a little tiny bit right now, my metronome, maybe an 80-ish, you know, this time for the quarter note, you know, because right now we're having quarter notes, not half notes. So let's go. Go a little slower. Yeah, I'm gonna go even slower so you can see what keys I'm actually doing it, you know. So just a little slow. I think it's about 75 or 72. Again, relax your wrist. So the good news in this line is that the left hand, it's only C and G and C's and G's and stuff like that. Now you have on the right hand, you have C, E, G with a G in the bottom. So this would be an extended position of a second inversion of the C major, right? And then just a little tiny bit here. Now you have, you see, it's a B minor chord. Good. And then repeats. And then change a little tiny bit so you don't have the F. And then C, E, C. Right? So we're having a C major second inversion. and then that would be third measure, and back to E, C, E, C, right? Fifth measure, again, like the first one, and then you are pretty much done, right? So right now, let's go on the second line. That would be C, F, A, C, and then C, G, E, C, right? So if you analyze a little tiny bit this chord, again, it's second inversion of the F major, right? So this is the first measure of the second line, C, F, A, C. But then coming back, you're coming back on the C major. And then again. Right, it's the same thing. Okay, I'm holding the keys down for you to see the chord. You should not hold the keys down, right? I will play it and then you will see that I'm not holding the keys right now. I'm holding for you to see the chords, right? And then you have you coming back from the C, coming down, and pretty much coming back into the tonic. That means it's C major. Right? So right now I'm gonna put the metronome again. The metronome will be set at 60, I don't know, 8? Something. Alright? So let's go second measure. Sorry, I messed up the left hand. Again. Back into C major. You can even see left hand has an F because it's F major. On the right hand, right now it's C major. I'm happy that we got through number 5. So the next one is going to be number 6, obviously. Alright, so again, practice the right hand, practice the left hand. Not so many times, because again, these are mostly for kind of sight reading, right? Don't follow the finger number. Try to read the notes by this time. You know, maybe you could do that. And see what the patterns are there, so you would put the hands together in an easiest way possible to understand not only the note by itself, one by one note, to understand the concept, the entire, where that note comes from, like comes from a chord, comes from the C position, where it comes from. So you will see the relationships between the notes. All right, so I hope you got it, and please, you will make me very, very happy to hit that the like button, and and leave me some comments, because it's hard enough to do this and edit this without you having your, the feedback. Thank you so much again. Thank you for many, 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 many good comments. So let's go number 6, next one.